Most famous place to visit Kailashnath Temple. The Kailashnath Temple, Cave 16, is one of the 32 cave temples and monasteries known collectively as the Ellora Caves. Its construction is generally attributed to the 8th century Rashtrakuta king Krishna in 756 to 773 CE. The temple architecture shows traces of Pallava and Chalukya styles. The Kailasa temple lacks a dedicatory inscription, but there is no doubt that it was commissioned by a Rashtrakuta ruler. Its construction is generally attributed to the Rashtrakuta king Krishna based on two epigraphs that link the temple to Krishna Raja. Kailasa temple features the use of multiple distinct architectural and sculptural styles. This, combined with its relatively large size, has led some scholars to believe that its construction spanned the reigns of multiple kings. 5-6. Some of the temple reliefs feature the same style as the one used in the Dasavadara cave, which is located next to the temple. The Dasavadara cave contains an inscription of Krishna's predecessor and nephew Dandurga. Based on this, art historian Hermann Getz, 1952, theorized that the construction of the Kailasa temple began during the reign of Dandurga. Krishna consecrated its first complete version, which was much smaller than the present-day temple. According to Getz, Dandurga's role in the temple construction must have been deliberately suppressed, as Krishna sidelined Dandurga's sons to claim the throne after his death. The Kailasa temple is notable for its vertical excavation. Carvers started at the top of the original rock and excavated downward. The traditional methods were rigidly followed by the master architect, which could not have been achieved by excavating from the front. The Kailasa temple architecture is different from the earlier style prevalent in the Deccan region. As stated above, it appears to be based on the Virupaksha temple at Patadakland, the Kailasa temple at Kanchi, but it is not an exact imitation of these two temples. For more interesting videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.